Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Clove protein shampoo for hair growth and for strengthening your hair. So we'll start with 77% of our Clove water. So I've made quite a number of videos on how you can make Clove water. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So we are in a challenge of Clove water for 1 month. So that's the reason why I had to use water in our shampoo. So this shampoo is going to strengthen your hair. It will boost hair shine. It will also cleanse your scalp without stripping it. It will also keep hair loss, premature graying of hair, and it promotes hair growth. Our next product is xanthan gum 1.5. So this is a natural gum used as a thickener. It protects it protects the hair because it has antimicrobial properties. And we're also going to use our glyceride. Yes, we use cucumber glyceride. You can use any glyceride that you have or glycerin. So glycerin is great for the hair. It will moisturize. It acts as a humectant, which is a substance that allows your hair to retain moisture, and it's an emollient, which actually means that it will keep your hair soft. So make sure that you hydrate it so that there are no lumps, friends. So this will act as our thickener. It will thicken our shampoo, and it will also help to retain moisture. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below, friends. I really appreciate you guys, for watching my videos and for your support. Virtual hugs to you. So we'll continue stirring until there are no lumps, friends. As you can see, it is so clear, as you can see. So if you don't have xanthan gum, you can use guar gum or any gum that you have access to. So that is how it looks like. It looks so creamy and nice, and it's ready to be used. So I'm going to add it to our water phase. Yes, I'll add it to our Clove. So this will be our water phase, and this will be our phase A. So I'll continue stirring until it is well combined into our water. Like, of course, it didn't melt instantly, but as we continue stirring, it melted. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have made a Clove shampoo before. But of course, I've seen different versions of Clove, but this one is more like a professional shampoo, if I may say. So another ingredient that we're going to use is 20 grams of lauryl glucoside. So it is a non-ionic surfactant that can be used as a foaming agent. Lauryl glucoside is actually the best foaming. It has the best foaming capacity of the glucoside, and is good dermatological compatibility. So therefore it is used as a base surfactant or a core surfactant. So another ingredient is betaine. That is actually 20 grams as well. So betaine is a mouth surfactant, doesn't cause any irritable. In fact, it's often used in cleansers because of its thickening and foaming properties, which help moisturize the hair. So we are also going to use glucoside. So 25 grams of our glucoside. So it is a natural derived non-ionic surfactant, and it's plant-derived soluble, made from fatty alcohols, and it lathers easily, making it suitable for cleansing, shampoo, and etc. And it's mild and non-toxic, making it safe for the scalp. So now we are going to add our phase 2 into our beaker. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and give this video a like and comment in the section below. And share this video, friends. When you subscribe, when you comment, when you like this video, it means a lot, friends. So in as much as I love sharing, I want my channel to grow to a bigger audience. So my goal is 1,000 subscribers, friends. Yes. So I'm going to just mix our surfactants a little bit. So like the lauryl glucoside is more like a jelly, as you can see. So now at this point, our two phases are ready and we're going to put them on heat for at least 20 minutes. This is a very, very important step, friends. So comment in the section below if you have tried out any shampoo or you have made any shampoo before. So we've removed from the heat. So we are getting phase B and pouring it into our phase B. So continue watching this video, friends, because at the end I'm going to share with you, I'm going to show you how we added our cool phase, which actually will make our hair strengthened. So we are going to add some tea tree essential oil, some hydrolyzed wheat protein, and some preservative. So hydrolyzed protein actually will penetrate your hair and it increase elasticity by controlling the loss of moisture from the strands. This improves flexibility of your hair and helps strengthen your locks. And using hair care products enriched with protein, hydrolyzed protein, has the goodness of hydrated, hair and can keep your locks healthy and reduce damage. So we had added 1% of our hydrolyzed wheat protein, and we also added 1% of our tea tree essential oil. So tea tree will actually prevent dandruff or itchy scalp. It will actually, promote blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. And at this point, after mixing, we are now going to test our pH. So we had added our preservative. You don't want any microbials to start growing in your final product. You don't want to be a product useless at the end of the day. So make sure that you preserve it. And make sure that the pH should be between 5 or 5.5. So actually it was 5. So there was no need for me to use citric acid. But if it was above 7, like 7 going up, I would have added citric acid. But see, because it was 5.5, it is okay for the scalp. It's not going to cause any irritability on the scalp. So now we are packaging it. I'm super, super excited, friends, because we are trying out to grow our hair. And I love this shampoo, friends. Like, it really worked well for our hair, for our scalp. Yeah, so this is a hair growth, shampoo which will promote hair growth, which will strengthen your hair. It will prevent damage. It will actually reduce hair loss. So comment in the section below, give this video a like, friends, and share this video. So like, I love that natural color from the Clove. In fact, I did make a Clove leave-in conditioner. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. So that is our final product, friends. I'm super, super excited. Yes, give this video a like and comment in the section below. But it didn't look like it was very thick, but as it cools, it will stabilize, like it will be thick. The thickness will be in between. It won't be very thick because I wanted something quite light. So now it's that time to shampoo my hair. Like yesterday, I posted a video on how you can do pre-shampoo to prevent breakage and to promote hair growth. So I'm just removing the plastic bag and the wrapper that I put on. So like, friends, I didn't detangle my hair. So I did detangle my hair using my deep conditioner. Watch out for that video tomorrow. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, friends. So you have to make sure that you concentrate your shampoo on the scalp, friends. Like, shampoo is for the scalp, and then for the rest of the hair strands, like as you wash, it will be just dripping throughout your hair strands, and the hair will be cleansed. So at this point, because I didn't rinse the pre-shampoo, like the shampoo didn't lather very well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this shampoo twice. So as you can see, like, it didn't form because of the oils. Yes, but usually I do rinse my pre-shampoo, then proceed to detangle my hair, but I didn't do that. Yes, so I washed my hair in twist, and I had done pre-shampoo in twist, friends. Like, I'm super, super excited because I did have time, like, to undo the twist. Yes, so as you can see, I'm massaging my scalp, massaging the shampoo on the scalp because that is where the dirty is. All those gels, dirty, debris that may be on the scalp will be cleansed. So at this point, I'm going to rinse. So I just rinsed out and now I'm reapplying the shampoo on the scalp. You don't have to follow this step if you had rinsed out the pre-shampoo. Yes, so comment in the section below your step. Do you pre-shampoo, then detangle your hair, then shampoo? Comment in the section below, friends, and give this video a like. So, of course, our hair has shrunken, friends, because of the moment your natural hair touches water, it will shrink actually, and you don't have to be worried about that because it's simply showing that your hair is healthy. So look at that form, look at that, friends. Like, this shampoo really worked wonders, and I was so happy on how it worked. Like, after rinsing it out, my hair was strengthened and my hair was so soft and our scalp was so clean. So the reason why I added wheat hydrolyzed protein to my shampoo is because, you know what, I do protein treatment once per week, once per month. So I didn't make a protein deep conditioner. So or leave-in. So that's the reason why I had to do a protein shampoo, because I wanted my hair to be strengthened, to prevent damage, and to prevent hair loss. So proteins are very good for your hair. If you have damaged hair or if you have colored hair, it will really help. Yeah, so friends, like, have you seen, like, it worked well, friends? Look at that lather, look at that. I'm so happy. Yes, because this is a success. So now at this point, I'm going to rinse out. So I'm not going to apply on the strands of our hair. It will just be, going downwards, and the rest of the hair will be cleansed. So I've just cleansed my hair. Like, you have to make sure that you thoroughly cleanse your scalp, friends. So at this point, our hair is also soft. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.